5 essential tips for perfectly shaping and caring for your chokin bonsai. 1. Maintain trunk straightness. The key to a successful chokin bonsai is a straight, upright trunk. As your tree grows, use gentle wiring and supports to ensure the trunk remains perfectly vertical. Be cautious not to overly restrict the natural growth of the trunk, but reinforce its straightness, especially in younger trees. 2. Prune to enhance symmetry. Chokin bonsai require balanced pruning to maintain symmetry. Trim branches that grow too high or low on the trunk, and focus on creating evenly spaced branches that alternate sides. The goal is to maintain a clean, well-proportioned structure with no overcrowding. 3. Focus on tapering the trunk. A well-tapered trunk is crucial for chokin bonsai. Over time, trim any thick, straight sections of the trunk to promote natural tapering. This will give the tree the appearance of age and maturity. Even if it's young, use careful pruning to ensure the top of the tree tapers gracefully. 4. Prune back after new growth. Chokin bonsai need regular pruning to encourage compact growth. After each growth cycle, prune back the new shoots to maintain the desired shape. By trimming back to just a few leaves or buds, you'll encourage the tree to grow more densely and evenly. 5. Use proper watering and feeding. Chokin bonsai, like all trees, require consistent care to thrive. Ensure you're watering deeply, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth, but avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive, uneven growth. These tips will help you care for and prune your chokin bonsai to maintain its elegant, upright form. Do you have any tips? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more bonsai content.